Sorkar Jylla kanok pai singin jong ar pendiri Urisau arja arpuar kala ai da kakus nam pisa ka basan lak tingka syaka Kong Margaret Pathaw kala adu naga kerdan jia kop yakun keti ke bala tip kum ke Master Women 60 kg left hand category jong ke Lempung 43rd World Arm Wrestling Championship but 24th World Para Arm Wrestling Championship ke bala long ha Turkey. Kong Margaret Pathaw tang bakla job ya katak mak siar na ketika Lempung Henry kala la ruban Korea katak marupa nak awai pat ka kerdan jia kop. Sorkar Jylla kala pun kubu ramru ya ki wepat ki bla yok khurtak mar nong bat ki bla lej bani ship benta sya kate Kelempung ki arngut ki bla yok khurtak ma na ka benta kari India na kate Kelempung ki kenthop yo ba Alexander Lingdo na Giant Hills wat la ude ubam nang ban kran bat ubam yo sngo ki score na ka standing men 80 kg hearing impaired bat ka Kong Angel Mary Milliam umlong ka bla yok ban khurtak mar nong na ka Master Women 60 kg left hand category. Kidong asyim benta ki badai na ki Jylla Syakate Kelempung ki kentup yo ba Alan S. Marbanyang Ukishore Chetri Everson Thankyu Angel Mary Melim Umlong Iri Kemenlang Lingdo Margaret Pathaw Alexander Lingdo Hubert Paliar Paruba Banshan Terang Hakari ke jingalang pen ko buram laya don lang dau menteri rang ba ke Jylla u konrad ki sangma kumukongsan Paruba Bantai Dor Lingdo u menteri ketat sports ki officer Sorkar bat kiwe
Knockout, winning the silver medal, the Pro Am Universe champion in Bangkok. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, held on the 15th of October 2022. Once again, round of applause for our two guys. God bless you. Citation and mementos from our association. Congratulations, Alexander, for your achievement. Citation and mementos from our. Congratulations, Congratulations, Margaret Pathaw, winning the trophies for us, medals for our state, our country, and she's receiving, as Sir had mentioned, 5 lakhs rupees and a citation.
Lalu kisi kita ada pentre economic championship. Mengadap dapat jumpa ke bakal bahkan the government jang ke Meghalaya jang the sports department kelashin perai bekerja berle pendam buran ini akan dikasi berkelalang kisi deba kila itu yang ini akan dikaam sling pengkawai ke jing yang akai kebangi yo akan leksim benta syabab nimba ke jing rap jengki yaki sponsor beper tina jing yang leksim benta janga hakali ke world championship ke belong hani Turkey idan kumpan Rio forward Rio Baltic countries ki bawan bania shimbanta hakawek ya category jonga idan arpusan ngot bat ngalarung haka final hado panganyo bania yele bersya batka ri Brazil batka long yele ka jang ke Brazil ke bakarteng ke Ana Santos ke balang ke world champion former world champion ngalala ban beat ika Tiada pada dokumen kebakan, dengan betul bahkan ini championship kalong, bahkan dia banbat ya kan ini kusnam. Sudah ada jing aibo ke jong belai, pada jing dalam kat jing kimen ki para lak ki para jong kisnong ki tau, lembat ke sports department, berkershan berat ini met bat mensiam, bagi yo ban lecim bentash tay, yo ban kayu sok ke jing job. South League medals nila banwanra yaka India hibaro away.
Under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shillong Mail, the first and foremost, I call the officer, the director of my department to start and initiate immediately how to have our own sports policy And I would like to tell you also, because of the policy, we are being able to start this cash award, start to facilitate our athletes from a different kind of discipline, whatever participation, national event or international event. But I'll tell you, after 1 year, 2018 and 2019, we have approved that sports policy. That's what we are here today. And I remember in 2018, when my officer discussed with me regarding the facilitation of our athletes who participate outside the state, then when they came to me, they invited me and said, let's we'll have one function for facilitation of our athletes. Then when I asked them how much incentive we can give it to them, you know that at that point of time, it was 2,500, 5,000 maximum for the athletes who participate outside the state. Come back, maximum is 7,500 to 10,000. And I told them, go back and come back to me with a good amount, then we will have a function. And then, as a minister, I will stand in front of them. Otherwise, it will be embarrassing for me to stand in front of them. By going outside, even the flight ticket or the train ticket also is not matched with whatever they have done. They have brought name rollers to the state. That's why I'll tell you a part of that, so that we have come up with this policy, sports policy. And today we are proud of our athletes. We are proud of them. We have done this cash award this year, last year. But the thing is, I think nobody know how much Kong Margaret she will receive today, the amount. I think Kong Margaret you have already been informed or not, I don't know. But you will get 5 lakh rupees. Because this is just an example. This is, we have to follow the sports policy. And now we have a new policy also. 5 lakh as a cash incentive. A part of that, when your president and secretary came to me and met me and requested me for participation of this arm wrestling in Turkey. When they came with the letter, it was mentioned 33 lakhs. I'm right? He's here, all of them, most of them, I know. But I say, from where does 33 lakhs come? I call up, thanks to Chief Minister, I call up CM and I requested him, sir, we have to do something for that. Let us get whatever, but not below 10 lakhs. But thanks to Chief Minister, 25 lakhs, we have sanctioned for that. And if you see other states, when I went to participate of the sports conference in Gujarat last few months back, so many states, the way they present the infrastructure, especially stadium, training venue, coaches, it was marvelous. It was totally different. But thanks to you all, bodybuilders, you, because of yourself, Without the proper thing we don't have till now, still you are bringing medals for that. But don't lose hope. I will inform you, the state, they have done so much. We have budget around 500 crores. I think CM must be sharing with you better. 500 crores for the infrastructure of the state. GN complex you see now, Lashmia, Brilliant Swimming Pool, Vesamma Stadium. But the problem with our people, if you are not doing anything, they say they are not doing anything. But when you do something, they say, why you break the infrastructure, why you break the stadium, why you not allow us to practice? But I'll tell you, we are coming up with the new things. World-class stadium in JN complex. The revolution is going on. And I hope, but I believe, because our youth, they have so much talent. We can see, because your future is bright. The government will be with you. Don't worry, because we have seen enough. We have seen enough. That's why we are doing this. Slowly, step by step. One day, we will achieve our goal.
The Honourable Minister has mentioned about the youth policy and the sports policy. It may sound very simple and people may think that it's another document, but it's not. It's the blueprint of what you want to do and how you want to do it, and what needs to be done and who needs to do what at what particular time. And if you don't have this blueprint and this policy, then you're just shooting in the air and just firing in the darkness, because you don't have a plan. So what policy allows us to do, it helps us to lay a plan down. It allows us to get certain systematic things in place. And that's the beginning point of any kind of a strategy to really make a difference in whatever sector that you want, whether it's youth, whether it's health, whether it's education, agriculture, you name it. So therefore the policy, as the Honourable Minister mentioned in his speech, was the crux of where we started off things with. Where are we? Where do we want to go? And in order to reach from here to there, what is it that we need to do? We also realize that apart from this, we need to ensure that we have infrastructures in place. Now we may have all the policies, we may have the right systems in place, but if we don't have the infrastructures to help and to allow our athletes and our sports persons to practice, then things fall flat. And hence a comprehensive plan and strategy was made to increase infrastructures and make sure that the infrastructures are at a top level. Now these things also don't happen overnight. These are large investments. Even after budgeting over 500 crores, we still have a long way to go. Every district headquarters must have a decent, athletic track and field facilities, indoor facilities, whether it's for arm wrestling, for different kind of other disciplines. All of these require proper infrastructure. And they have to be there at every district level. If possible, slowly at every subdivisional level, at every block level. And therefore, it's a process that continues. So we have started it, we started investing in it. Government has a lot of expenditure and things to do. A lot of people ask me questions, say that, well, government has money to do this. Why can't government pay the salaries of so-and-so group? You see, the government doesn't work like that. There's a budget for everything. It's like you run a house. You have budget for electricity bill, you have budget for water, you have budget for oil expenditure, petrol expenditure, you have budget for the fees that has to be paid. You budget for everything. And similarly, government also needs to budget. And hence it's not that if the money is available, that we will just pay, or spend the money in just one area. Yes, those areas are important. But as government, we need to see that all sectors are balanced out. We need to take care of education sector. In education, we need to take care of salaries plus infrastructure. We need to ensure that proper schools and proper technology is invested in. Whether it's sports areas, we need to have infrastructure, training. We need to spend money on learning capital. You look at roads, infrastructure, so on and so forth. So therefore, budgets are there in everything, and hence, because of the expenditures in all the sectors, we need to be kind of systematic in our investment and move in it in the long-term kind of perspective. And look at a picture where we are seeing that in the next 5 years to 10 years, we hope that we will be having adequate infrastructure to be able to provide for the youngsters in our state. So it cannot happen in a matter of a year or 2 years or even one term. It takes time. But I'm happy to see that things are moving forward, especially from the point of infrastructure.